Hi guys, this is me Aditi from PTE Universe, and today's session is very important. We're going to solve PT reading, writing, fill in the blanks, latest fill-ups, and we're going to make you understand the tips and tricks. We're going to make you understand how you can solve these difficult questions in less time. This is one of the most important tasks for PTE reading, and you're going to get 5 to 6 questions in your real exam. This task is one of the most important tasks of PTE because it is a integrated task. It gives marks to reading and writing. You are going to get 5 to 6 questions, and the best part is there is no negative marking. So it's very important that you work hard on them because this will affect your score for reading as well as writing. For PT reading, you need to make sure you're good with time management. Today we will make you understand how to solve the question within the stipulated time. So let's go for the tips and tricks first. First thing, guys, it's very important to understand what the fill-up is all about. So skim the text. Initial few lines will let you understand what is the central idea. The fill-up is based on environment, health. So there are different topics on which these fill-ups are based. You need to understand what is the topic. Then you can start with the first blank. I also make student aware about parts of speech, nouns, adjective, adverbs. If you have not watched my previous sessions, I will share the link in the I button. You can watch those sessions. So start with the first blank and then try to see which part of speech is required, whether noun, whether adjective, and accordingly place the word. Also, guys, one more time, like sometimes there are some fill-ups which are very tricky. Maybe you're not able to understand this will make sense or not. Then go to the next one. You can come to the previous one later. Apart from that, it's very important that you determine correct answers on the basis of what is required. So parts of speech are very important. Like verb is the action which takes place. If I talk about noun, नाउन इज द नेम ऑफ अ प्लेस पर्सन और थिंग. जैसे किसी विशेष व्यक्ति वस्तु स्थान का नाम हो सकता है नाउन, लेकिन वर्ब होगा कोई एक्शन. So you need to determine which part of speech is required. Sometimes you can use your common sense also. Like if you have to talk to your friend, your tone is going to be informal. But if you have to talk to your company's manager, the tone is going to be formal. So decide on the basis of the topic and the tone. Okay. Collocations are very important. Collocations are 2 or more words which come together, and you have to make sure you're aware about different kinds of collocation. Noun plus noun, noun adjective, different kinds of collocations. Like interested in, you should know about different kinds of collocations. That is going to help you also. If you're not clear with few vocabulary based words, it's okay. Try to see where the blank is and try to determine, okay, which option is making more sense. Apply one technique which I recommend, POE. What is POE? Process of elimination. So you can eliminate the options which are not making sense. Generally 2 options are close, but if you read thoroughly, you will be able to make the best guess. Since there is no negative marking, it's very important that we try every question and we don't miss anything. Ideally, I will just suggest you to spend limited time on one question, like probably 2 minutes per question. So we're going to solve one question together. You can see the screen. So this is the question and the options. Blanks are based on a couple of things like collocations, grammar, vocabulary. Everything is going to play a very important role. So you need to make sure you're good with each one of them. And this is what we do at PT Universe. Let's solve one question together. Many parents want their children to grow up with the love of reading. However, recent research that, see the option, showing that, show that. Now, if you're good with tenses, recent research shows that makes sense. Show doesn't make sense. Showing is no, is showing. So continuous tense, you need a tense. You need a kind of proper grammatical structure, but this is wrong. Shown that, recent research shown is second form of verb. How can you use second form of like past tense over here? It doesn't make sense. So recent research has shown that, recent research दिखा चुकी है. ये एक्शन रिसेंटली कंप्लीट हुआ. रिसेंटली कंप्लीटेड एक्शंस के लिए हम क्या यूज करते हैं? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट. So for recent, the actions which are completed recently, we use present perfect. So the answer is has shown that. Children nowadays spend far more of their time using phones than reading books. Of course, technology brings children advantages, but means the meaning is changing, but books are dash important as computers. Books are such important as computers, very important, as so important as means जितनी बुक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है उतने ही कंप्यूटर हैं as is used to make similar comparisons. So this is grammar based fill up. As books are as important as means equally important as computers. For instance, when children read storybooks, they imagine the characters and practice their language skills too. Many British schools run an event called World Book Day. This event dash too. If you have attended my previous session, I've explained to you that every sentence has a structure: subject plus verb plus object. So if subject is singular, verb is going to be singular. But if subject is plural, verb is going to be plural. This is singular, so singular verb will come. This event differs to, aims to will come. Fine. कि ये इवेंट क्या करना चाह रहा है, प्रमोट करना चाह रहा है रीडिंग को. Aims to. At the moment parents spend time reading with their children regularly. Less parents, few parents, or little parents with with something we can count. We don't use little, and parents we can count. So this is wrong. Few parent or few, again we don't use it like this. Very few makes sense. बहुत कम parents spend करते हैं. So the answer is very few. So right now you can see this kind of fill-ups you can get in your PT reading and writing fill-ups, where you can see combinations. Like all four of them were based on grammar. So grammar is also very, very important. I have uploaded a video, a session related to grammatical tips and tricks, 10 golden rules. 2 sessions are there. You can watch it to understand and brush up your grammar skills. Now I'm gonna again solve a fill up with you. I'll give you some time, 2 minutes. You give it a try. Use chat box to post your answers, and then we will do it together. Start with understanding the topic, then see the positioning of the blank. See, noun is required, adjective, adverb, what is required? Use chat box. I want everybody to answer the question. That's why I've given you 2 minutes. And don't spend too much time on one fill-up. Though there is no negative marking, but you have to make sure that the reading time is not so high. Maximum we recommend you to spend 2.5 minutes. If it's a very difficult fill-up, you can spend 3 minutes too. But then you can just decrease the time you spend on other tasks like multiple choice single answers, multiple choice multiple answers, so that you can balance the entire time. Let's solve it together. Most of you have posted the answers. This is a challenging time for UK students, and we should be making the transition. Transition means movement from university to the world easier, not harder. British Academy has voiced its expectation, voiced its criticism, voiced its concern, voiced its opinion. So now sometimes you will get some fill-ups which are based on collocations, where you need to understand your I mean, vocabularies. So voice opinion, अपनी voice करना अपनी opinion या voice करना अपना concern. Concern is what? Like maybe you are, worried about something. So they're concerned about what is going to happen with the children. So what it's trying to say, voice its concern. जो उनका concern है कि ये चीजें क्या हो रही हैं. So this, the correct answer is concern. They have, it's not their expectation. Actually, bad is happening with them. So if something bad is happening, the upper authority is going to show some concern. Criticism is a very negative word. That doesn't make sense here. They are not criticizing anybody. वो किसी की भी अवहेलना नहीं कर रहे हैं. Okay. Now go, we need dash action. Now, if you have attended previous, lectures, I've already explained you, if it's a noun, before noun, adjective comes. So what kind of action? Exclusive action, inclusive action. Inclusive doesn't make sense. Inclusive means किसी चीज को include करना, which includes something. Exclusive means कुछ बहुत ही अलग है. So it's not even an exclusive action. Perfunctory means carried out without interest or feeling. When you have no interest, no feeling. But decisive action, which includes some decisions. So we need decisive action if we are remedying this worsening situation. The dash of the problem, grounds of the problem, causes, links. Root means, let's say it's a problem. Uski jad kya hai? Again, it's a kind of phrase. Root of the problem. Jad kya hai us problem ki? It's a kind of idiom, guys. Fine. Underlying cause. Root of the problem means underlying cause. So the answer is root. We dash them to act and protect this country's long-term economic, social, and cultural standing. We suppress, appeal, persuade. You know the meaning of suppress? Again, it's vocabulary based. Suppress करना means forcibly put an end to. किसी चीज को force करके रोक देना. जैसे क्या होता है कि कोई अगर ज्यादा शक्तिशाली आदमी है, वो हमेशा जो कमजोर आदमी उसे suppress, उसे दबाता है. अपील करना कि जैसे हम लोगों के पीछे पड़े हुए कि ऐसा आप कर दीजिए. Urge is the right word over here because urge means to persuade someone. किसी को हमारी strong desire और हम किसी को ऐसा करना ही चाहिए. Strong wish होती है कि urge करते हैं उनको हम एक तरीके से. So that's what we are trying to see. We are trying to make them, we're trying to make a very strong wish. We're trying to strongly advise to do a particular thing. So when you are doing for something for country and all, urge makes a better sense. So let me just mark the answers. This is decisive. This was root. And this one was. You can let me know your scores in the comment section, how much you got. Now, this is also one of the most repeated questions which we are going to do now. This is a bit easy. Take your time. Again, I'll recommend you to do the same technique. First, read the question. Try to determine the topic. Then see the positioning of the blank. Read the words. Read the line containing the blank carefully and check the answer. You have about 30 minutes to answer each question. You must take account of how many marks are dash for each part. How many marks are rational, possible, reasonable. Reasonable, like let's say if something is some things are expensive. Reasonable means, okay, it's average or it's cheap, you can buy something. How many marks are possible? Doesn't make sense. Marks are never possible. Rational thoughts are there. Rational thoughts means what you can say is something which includes logic. Logical answer, rational, we call it logical. So here we are not saying how many marks are logical. That doesn't make sense. Possible, reasonable. How many marks are available? So if there are different parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, so we need to see how many marks are there. 10 marks are there, 20 are there, 30 are there, so available. Even if you think you can write more, don't spend 15 minutes scoring a part. You're not scoring, you're actually answering. So how can you score? Marking a part, ignoring, you're not even ignoring. You're not even marking. So answer is answering, because you're answering a question. So you basically you have to see how much time you should spend. Worth only this. Leave space at the end of your answer. Come back to it if you have. Dash life doesn't make sense. You don't have life, you don't have space, mind, rather time, because it's more when you answer a question, you have to see how much time you have. So time is important. Don't write about something else if you don't know the correct answer. This is just a waste of your dash time. Time is a noun, before noun adjective comes. What kind of time? Available time, useful time, beneficial time. Beneficial, if time is always beneficial. Valuable means, because here, like when you attempt any exam, every second matters a lot. So valuable. Let me mark the answers. You can see and let me know your scores. So the first answer is available. So for PT reading and writing fill-ups, again, I'm repeating that it's very important that you're able to understand what the fill-ups is all about. You need to make sure that you're able to understand the context. Context is everything. Fine. Then sufficient knowledge of grammar, vocabulary, collocations is very important. And I've prepared different sessions. If you have not watched, to watch them. Because we are also providing online training in for PT, IELTS, NATI, Self-Pip, Duolingo, and OET also now. So if you're struggling in any one of them, you can contact us. The classes are available on Zoom or Google Meet. And in these classes, we're going to make sure that you understand each and every concept, and we will work on your weak areas. Also, the late night and early morning sessions are available now, and new batches are going to start. If you want to take if you're working in 2 shifts, then also you can enroll with us and do classes on weekends also, or on particular days of your according to your schedule. So before I leave, I would like to quickly revise the entire session. See, there are lots of possible ways of solving the thing, but what I recommend is you start with the first fill up. Look at the blank, see where it is, ask yourself what kind of information is missing. Does the sentence needs a person, place, action? So see, you can also apply some grammar rules like I applied for you. Okay, and then shortlist the answer. If you're not able to shortlist, you have no option, then try to see which is the best or possible option. Some questions are difficult too, you can leave and move to the next one. Don't leave any question unanswered, there's no negative marking. Keep your eye on the overall timer. Once you have filled in the blanks, review the passage. It should make logical sense. If you feel there is a word left in the pool which can be a better fit, you can replace it. But I recommend students filling the easy ones first. Fine. Grammatical clues are important, but simple logics are important too. If you're not confident of grammar, go with simple logic. So watch the previous sessions, and of course you can make sure that we work hard on PT reading module. Also, if you're new to the channel, kindly like, comment, and subscribe our channel which says PT Universe, so that you don't miss any update.